Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. Ask and ask we can do about factorization. So I will put this one y squared and y minus 1 go to the left. The s will go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, y divided by y squared, 1 divided by y squared. So we have 1 over y minus 1 over y squared dy. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of negative 1 over y squared, we have 1 over y with the positive. And the last one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.